Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this charcoal pencil I got from Temu. I wanted to try something new with these charcoal pencils. I have a few charcoal pencils, but I wanted to try something new just to compare. So this one here is a woodless charcoal pencil, and it's three of them. One is soft, one is medium, and one is hard. So this is it guys. So these are the three pencils. One got broken. I don't remember if it was in the package or I dropped it on the ground, but it was broken. But no, nevertheless it still can work. It still can work. So this is the first one and it's the medium. So I'm gonna test this one out first. So I'm going ahead and making the mark. Then I'm testing it out with my finger to see how much it can smudge. Now I didn't buy the pencil for it to smudge a lot. I wanted that dark tone without too much smudging. So this is perfect for me. So it depends on what you want. And this is how dark it can get. That's the medium. And not much smudging goes on with these pencils. If you want your charcoal to smudge a bit more, continue to use the regular one, the chalk one, the black chalk one. You can continue to use those. If you want a charcoal now with a lighter tone or a softer tone, you can check out Vine charcoal. So this one here that I'm using is the soft. The soft almost seems like the same tone as the medium. So I wish the soft was a bit softer. So that's my problem right there. Okay, so that is the soft right there. But it can get as dark as the medium. If you haven't liked the video as yet, go ahead and like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. So this one is the hard pencil, the hard charcoal pencil. With this one you have to put a lot of pressure on it to get the full tone. A lot of pressure, and it hardly smudges. So my final thoughts on these charcoal pencils from Temu is that it's great for the purpose that I want it for. The soft, it is what it is. It is soft, but is not as soft as I wanted. The hard is very hard. So definitely they did not deceive me in terms of saying that the pencil is hard when it's not. The hard pencil is really hard. The soft one, it's soft, but it's not as soft as I would want it. And the medium is mediuming. Alright, these pencils are great. It depends on what you want. So I would recommend depending on what you want it for. Okay? And if you look at the sample, the soft smudges more than the hard and the medium.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.